Right, so we're back out. Been a week. Well, 10 days, 2 weeks since I last uploaded. Right, so I hope you enjoyed your week. Let me know what you done in the last weekend and last week. Well, what have you been doing? She-Wolf Adventures, congratulations on you getting your new bike. Looks lovely. That Honda you bought looks really nice. I probably would have picked a different colour, but that's not me. Doesn't matter anyways, it's still a decent looking bike. Hope she treats you well. And yeah, hope you enjoy the rides on that Honda. Can't wait to know what you decided to name it. Name her. And I can't wait to eventually get time to see your bike in person at some point. I actually missed riding my bike and hearing the exhaust through these type of areas. Oh yeah, I am gonna win it. Is it like what, 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon? Fucking traffic day today, innit? Yep, my drink's still low. Quite busy day today, innit, guys? Fucking traffic. He was just admiring my bike. Get some filtering done for you. Yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna go straight on. Yeah, just bully where you're out. Should be in this fucking lane. Second gear would be helpful. What do you think of the new ND filters and the settings? Hope you like them. Because I do. I really do hope I get my dash done this year. I really do. test, do my mod 1 and mod 2, and then my final part, and then save up for my next bike. My next bike is either an R6 or a ZX 9R. Don't know what year, but either one of those two. They finally fucking done this. Fucking took them a while. Like, they took them fucking ages to fucking sort all this line out. I don't know what they were fucking doing. Hope you're enjoying the audio of the microphone. I find it very good and ringy. Wait, it's mad. So, they moved it up here now. Yeah, I will be demonstrated when Natasha does these get sold. I will have, if I've not moved out I get my next bike and my full A license, then I'm gonna have to sell my bike to Natasha to get my next bike. But if I moved out and I've got room, I'm gonna keep Natasha and buy another bike and have 2 bikes. But I'm not seeing where I will have 2 bikes because financial reasons. I'm not getting rid of her anytime soon yet. Oh, that's a cute dog. I love it. That is fun. Oopsies. I'm getting carried away. Still recording, that's good. So, hope you enjoyed that part, because I did. Before I came down and got my bike out, it brightened up. Now it's gone a bit dull. Still bright, but not enough for a sun visor to be like, it's not blinding me. You know what I mean? I don't know who that was, but I got beeped at. What? Ow. Hate that front thing, they need to fucking fix that. I used to go there, Wesley High. It's gone fucking shit now. Oh, it's fucking shit back then, but fucking shit look now. Even worse. Yeah, I used to get bullied. Yeah, this person needs to get off her back learner's arse. Finally. Alright, see you very shortly. I'm gonna go to visit my mate. Alright, we are back. Just wanted to have a bit of chat with my mate. I've not seen him for a while. What's going on? Oh, it's a fire brigade. That's what's going on. Alright. I ended up just going past my mate who's getting his haircut. Looks like it's going to be. Jesus Christ. Some drivers these days, eh? Now I'm gonna go say hi to them. See you in a minute. Alright. a cute dog. Right, so I found out it wasn't my mate who beeped at me before. Don't know who it was though. Right, so yeah, I don't know what I want to say now. I'm fucking stuck, I guess. Sorry if this vlog was boring. I did try to think of something. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.